The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Moore County and Central North Carolina, Scotland County and Central North Carolina, Eastern Richmond County and Central North Carolina, Southwestern Hope County and Central North Carolina, until 2:45 p.m. At 1:48 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Rockingham to near Hamlet, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockingham, Hamlet, Hoffman, Pine Bluff, Foxfire, Dobbins Heights, Wagram, Gibson, Laurel Hill, and Sand Hills Game Land. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. At 2:11 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hoffman to 8 miles north of Laurinburg, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Southern Pines, Rayford, Pinehurst, Aberdeen, Antioch, Pine Bluff, Vass, Silver City, Rockfish, and Bowmore. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. And now taking a look at the National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Moore County and Central North Carolina, southeastern Montgomery County and Central North Carolina, northeastern Richmond County and Central North Carolina, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles south of Biscoe, or 11 miles south of Troy, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pinehurst, Hoffman, Foxfire, Norman, Derby, Seven Lakes, Covington, Pekin, and Sand Hills Game Land. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Moore County and Central North Carolina, Central Montgomery County and Central North Carolina, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Troy, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Troy, Biscoe, Mount Gilead, Gander, and Pekin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. And now the National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Scotland County and Central North Carolina, southeastern Richmond County and Central North Carolina, south central Hope County and Central North Carolina, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Hamlet, or near Rockingham, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Laurinburg, Rockingham, Hamlet, Maxton, Dobbins Heights, Wagram, Gibson, East Laurinburg, East Rockingham, and Laurel Hill. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. southeastern South Carolina until 8:15 p.m. At 7:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mullins, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Conway, Mullins, Horry, Tabor City, Loris, Chabur, Fair Bluff, Galvin Ferry, Homewood, also at Green Sea. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Please send your reports of hail and flash or wind damage. Floors down by calling the National Weather Service Office at Wimbledon at 1-800-697-3901. Service Office at Wilmington at 1-800-697-3901.
Hello, this is Faraday Times 56 while editing. I just wanted to thank everyone for 100 subscribers, and I wanted to let you know that something very special is coming up soon for my 100 subscriber special. Other than that, there will be a video somewhere on the screen that will show the live streams, which I'm not including as an EAS alerts on this due to the poor quality. Thank you and have a good day.